Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. I hope everyone enjoys the weekend ahead. But if you are new here, my name is Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. We will keep today's job lead as very short as I can. All of the pages that I share will be linked in the description box below as always, and I do have a specific job lead to share today, but before I do that, I just wanted to share Aflac's main page. They are hiring. This should already be filtered to the remote work location and sorted by posting date. So the jobs that were posted today will be on top from newest to oldest. So when you click the link and it brings you to the main job page, it should show just like this, already filtered and sorted for you. But Aflac is hiring for 109 work from home remote positions right now. These are all for the United States. So if the one that I share is not a good fit for you, you might want to look through here and see if anything is. They are hiring everything from customer service to application development to analyst to tech stuff. There should be something for everyone in here. But with that being said, today's job lead is a customer care representative for their dental and vision services. So they are looking for a customer care representative to be responsible for providing expertise to customer service support members and providers. You'll handle direct phone-based caller interaction to answer and resolve a wide variety of inquiries. So this is a phone customer service job. You'll provide initial contact support with the members, prospective members looking to get Aflac insurance, or providers and agents. And so you will be expected to answer the phone and route calls where needed, answer inquiries such as benefits, eligibility quotes, claim status, any issues with claims, premiums that need to be paid, or any address corrections that need to be made. So this does include a component of data entry because you'll update member account information and notate interactions as needed. You'll also research any of their account history, payment options, complaints, etc. You may also have to verify insurance through fax, and it says you could be assigned special projects. Now, as far as what they are looking for, a minimum required high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree is required, and they would like someone who does have experience in customer service dealing with difficult situations. Other things they are looking for is someone who can multitask, someone who has great communication skills, someone who is great working as part of a team, someone who has basic Word, Excel, and Outlook knowledge, that is your Microsoft software solutions, and someone who has the ability to handle distressed callers with patience and be able to de-escalate the situation. Now, while this specific job did not list a salary, I did a little bit of research on Aflac's Glassdoor page, and it looks like a customer care advocate or a customer care specialist makes anywhere from $38,000 to $40,000 a year. And I will have the Glassdoor page if you want to read reviews as far as working for Aflac linked down below as well. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.